how much storage you have used and how much free storage space you have got left in your Mac or MacBook. Simply go to about this Mac button by clicking on this Apple logo, and then click on this storage tab here. It might take a while to load this bar completely. So generally the white part means the available space that is free to use, and the colorful part means how much storage different individual components are using currently. So as you can see here, the green symbolizes documents, and the documents are using around 15 GB of my storage space. Likewise, different things here, it will give you an idea of how your storage space is being used. If you want to manage, if you want to delete some files, instead of going one by one from the finder or through the applications, you can just click on the manage button over here, and then it will give you some recommendations. As you can see here, I have turned on this option which will empty the bin automatically in 30 days, and then you can also check these other options. And if you look at the left options over here, you can find out which applications in particular or which um, programs are using more storage space, and you can just uh, try to erase them from your computer. As you can see, Photoshop is currently using 3 GB of my data, 3 GB of my space in my computer, so I can just delete it by clicking in this button. So likewise, if I want to empty my bin, I can just uh, empty it from here. So you can also uh, delete photos, music, messages, emails, documents, books, everything. So this is the easiest way to manage your Mac's storage space. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.